So, as the release of iOS 26.5 quickly approaches, today we're going to talk about my experience with the latest beta, iOS 26.5 Developer Beta 3. Now, this beta has been out for nearly a week now. Apple seems to be on a weekly release schedule. So, today we're going to talk about when we can expect the next beta, the RC release candidate, and the official release of iOS 26.5. As I mentioned, the release is quickly approaching. But most importantly, today I want to talk about my experience in terms of battery life, performance, and I also want to talk about the new wallpaper and watch faces leaked that are coming with iOS 26.5. So let's go ahead and dive right in. So now the first thing I want to talk about is this weird lock screen bug within iOS 26.5 beta 3. So if you swipe to the bottom here on the lock screen, you get your app suggestions in your keyboard. And if you swipe to the left, obviously you get your widgets right here. So sometimes when I go to wake up my device, these will be sort of integrated into the wallpaper. So the widgets and the wallpaper will become one, or the keyboard and the app suggestions. And I took a screenshot of this. Now, this is something that doesn't happen all the time, but it's just quite interesting to see. This is a screenshot here. You see the apps behind the actual clock, the wallpaper, and the keyboard there at the bottom, which is kind of interesting. Just a weird bug that I wanted to point out. And here's what the widgets look like, just sort of all intertwined, as you can see right there, and sort of integrated into the wallpaper on the lock screen. Again, a minor bug, something that doesn't really impact me much in terms of user experience because it doesn't happen all the time. And when it does happen, I just unlock my device and it goes away. But I thought it was an interesting bug happening here within this latest beta. Now, what's most important is battery life and overall performance. Now, I want to talk about these two things next because I know a lot of you guys are asking how's the battery life and how's the performance overall. Now, aside from the lock screen bug that we just talked about, everything else seems to be running buttery smooth. Now, the lock screen issue doesn't happen all the time, and I have to say iOS 26.5 just runs perfectly fine on this iPhone 17 Pro Max with no major issues or hiccups within the operating system. Everything is flowing as intended. But I know a lot of you guys want to know how's the battery life, and this is where I have some great news that I wanted to share with you guys. So let's jump into the battery section here. And number one, I do want to point out that the latest beta did drop my battery health by an additional percent. It's at 96. So yeah, this is something that's going to continue to happen. Obviously, as the iPhone continues to get a little older, battery health tends to drop. That's normal. But most importantly, how's the battery life overall? So let's jump into the stats here and take a look right there. Now I have to say iOS 26.5, this latest beta gets me through the entire day, anywhere from 8 to 9 hours of on-screen time. I'm a heavy user. With one single charge, I get through my entire day on this device. And I have to say, guys, great news here in terms of battery life. If you were hoping for excellent battery life, so far, I've tested multiple devices, 15 Pro Max, 16 Pro Max, 17 Pro Max, and by far, this latest beta has performed the best out of any iOS 26 update. So yeah, iOS 26.5, the latest beta, battery life is excellent. And next I want to talk about the one thing that I was not expecting, and that is new wallpapers that have been leaked. So we have a new Pride wallpaper that's going to be coming with the official release of iOS 26.5, which is this one right here. If you want to give it a try, I'll link it in the description down below. That is what it looks like. And when you unlock your device, again, this wallpaper will be coming with iOS 26.5, the official final release, alongside a new Pride watch face, as you can see right there, called Luminance, as you can see right there. So yeah, the new wallpaper and new watch face will become available with this next update once it is officially released to the general public, which brings me to the final topic. When is Apple going to release the next beta and the official release for iOS 26.5? Well, Apple appears to be on a weekly release schedule, so the next beta will most likely release tomorrow on Monday, the 27th, as you can see right here, so most likely tomorrow. And the official release for iOS 26.5, in my opinion, will most likely happen on May 11th next month. So in about 2.5 weeks, Apple will most likely release iOS 26.5 to the general public. Again, these are all just, speculation and predictions based on previous software releases. iOS 18.5 last year released the second week of May. So yeah, it looks like iOS 26.5 is right on schedule to release on mid-May. So I'll keep you guys posted. But the next beta, expect that tomorrow on Monday, the 27th. Let me know what you think about everything in those comments down below. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.